Hello and welcome to Real Deal EV. Today we're going to be going over how to replace your Tesla Model X cabin air filter up to the year 2021. So first thing you're going to want to do is utilize these cool doors and pop them open. Now we're going to be using a T-20 Torx bit. It's pretty much the only tool that you're going to need. So from here you're going to remove this side plastic cover on the dash. You can just get your fingers in there and pry that right out. The next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to open up the glove box, realize, oh great, this customer has a lot of stuff in there, and leave it alone. And then you're going to work on prying that piece off. So as you saw, I've done this before in a couple of my other videos, but you're going to pull it straight out the way that those clips go in. So basically you're going to pull it straight towards your chest and with some good amount of force. So now the next thing you're going to do is take your T-20 Torx and remove those top 3 screws. And then I get distracted here. I pull off the bottom cover. You can do this at any point in time, but you're going to pull that straight off. Now there's 3 more screws remaining. So open glove box. The 1 and 2 right there, those can't be accessed with the glove box closed, so you have to open it up. That third one, it can be accessed with the glove box opened or closed. It doesn't matter. Total of 6 screws. Oh, 5 screws. Oh, now 6 screws. Since there was so much stuff in there, I just left it closed and moved it off to the side. Now the next thing you're going to do is pinch this little clip. That's going to hold the cover for the cabin air filter, and you can see there's a bunch of leaves and stuff already in here. So I'm going to get out my handy vacuum, clean it all out, avoid that stuff falling down into the blower. Now here you can see there's some cables that kind of get in the way, those Fokker cables. So move those out of the way. Pull out your old filter, examine it, see how dirty it is. Wow, ooh, ah, so dirty. Wow. Get your new one from Real Deal EV. Don't forget to remove it from the plastic. Slide her in. As you can see, it only goes in one way. So the notch is going to be towards the outside of the car. Once you get that slid into place, then you're going to take the cover, slide it back in, and then clip it in place. You might have to wiggle it around a little bit to make sure it gets fully seated. Shouldn't be hard to do. Next thing you're going to do, put your glove box back in and go ahead and start up T-20 Torx. So you're going to have 6 of those, 3 on top and then 3 on the bottom. There's that one that you can get with or without the glove box closed. Get the other one there. And the last one right in the middle. Now that's secured, glove box is secured. So now the next thing I'm going to do, there's a golden clip that's missing from the piece that when I pulled it out, it stayed in the car. So I'm going to get that back out. But first I'm going to put this side piece back on. And then now I'm going to take my needle nose pliers and pull that metal clip off. So that way it actually holds on to the piece of trim. So now I'm going to slide it back onto that. That way it stays in place. And now here I'm going to clip this back into place. Got a problem here. So it didn't get fully seated. All I got to do is remove it. I could just tell it wasn't sitting right. So just going to pull it out a little bit and then put it right back in. So that bottom clip wasn't aligned correctly. Next thing I'm going to do, make sure these notches are pointing up. Push that into place and you're all good. New cabin air filter. Thanks for watching.